Hello, boys and girls. Today we have a lesson with learning new sound. Today's sound th. It is written like th, but we are saying it th or the. I will tell you more. For example, we are writing or we are reading. It is, and we see this sound as th, but we are not reading it like th or I don't know. We are reading it like th or the. Okay, sound th. You should say s and put your tongue between your teeth. For example, th. Repeat after me. Th. Say s and put tongue between your teeth. Th. Next sound, the. Say z and put your tongue between your teeth. Here s, here z. So the. Repeat after me. The. Well done. Let's see more words. Okay, here sound th. And the word, you know this, teeth. Not teeth, teeth. Sound th. Teeth. Next, what is the letter and what is the sound? So, letters, we have two letters for this sound, th, and sound th. Here are some words: throw, healthy, and bath. Now listen and repeat. Teeth. Repeating.
Throw. Healthy. Bath.
Well done. Now let's write in your notebooks. So, letters we see th, but sound write like me. It's like oval and line. You should say like s between your teeth. Sound th. Write in your notebook. Letters th, sound th in the word. Teeth, throw, healthy, sound th. Now let's write these words. Write these words after sound. Write, for example, bath. Let's write bath. Use other color. Bath. What other words do we have? What other words with sound th? For example, birthday. Repeat after me. Birthday. Number 3. Repeating. Think. Thunder. Repeating. Thunder. Thursday. 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 Day of the week, Thursday. Math. Math. School subject, math. And mouth. Mouth. Repeating, mouth. You can choose any word and write 3 words in your notebook. For sound, th. For example, I will choose bath, think, and thunder. Underline or circle th, sound, th. Write this in your notebook. Letters th, sound, th. Words bath, think, and thunder, for example. Sound, th. Next sound, sound, the. Say z, but put your tongue between your teeth. The. Let's see here. Sound, the. Sound, the. For example, a parrot has got colorful feather, feather, feather. The, z between your teeth. The feather. Now, what is the letter and what is the sound? So, the same letters th and sound the. Now, listen and repeat. This father smooth. Listen and repeat. The.
Feather.
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 This.
This.
Father.
Father.
Smooth.
Smooth. Well done. Well done. Some more words with sound the. You know these words. Brother, mother, weather, breathe, that. Weather. What's the weather like? Now let's write. Let's write in your notebook. The same letters th, sound. Writing like me in your notebooks. I will show you closer it here. Like this. You can write. Sound the. And let's choose 3 words. 3 words with sound the. For example, feather and underline the sound. Feather. Next, you choose your words. For example, weather and brother. And underline. Letters th, sound the, and 3 words, feather, weather, brother. Writing this in your notebooks.
Feather.
Repeating, feather,
Feather.
feather.
This.
This.
Father.
Father.
Smooth.
Smooth. And sound th. Repeat after me. Th. Teeth. Teeth. Throw. Well done. Now, let's come to tongue twisters. Tongue twisters. Sound th. Listen and repeat.
3 free throws.
3 free throws.
3 free throws. 3 free throws. 3 free throws. 3 free throws.
Now you try. Now you try. Repeat after me. 3 free throws. 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 Repeat it. 3 free throws. Well done, but I know you can do faster. Next, let's listen.
Not these things here, but those things there. Not these things here, but those things there.
Now let's read. Not these things here, but those things there. Now you read. Now you read. Let's do faster. Not these things here, but those things there. Now you try. Not these things here, but those things there. And faster. Not these things here, but those things there. Now you try. And one more. Listen and repeat after.
Whether the weather is warm, whether the weather is hot, we have to put up with the weather, whether we like it or not.
Now let's read. Whether the weather is warm, whether the weather is hot, we have to put up with the weather, whether we like it or not. Now repeat after me. Whether the weather is warm, whether the weather is hot, we have to put up with the weather. We have to put up with the weather. Repeating, whether we like it or not. Now you read. Now you read. Whether we like it or not. And some more. I thought of thanking you. Repeat. I thought of thanking you. Now you read. I thought. And second one. He threw 3 free throws. Now you try. He 3 throws. One more time. Together. He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. For your homework, read as fast as you can the tongue twisters. Read as fast as you can. 3 free throws, 3 free throws, 3 free throws. Quickly, quickly. You should read all these tongue twisters. For now, that's all. Thank you so much. See you soon.